In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to export data from Monday.com for reporting or analysis. We're going to focus on exporting a single board to Excel, which is the primary and most straightforward way to get raw data out of Monday.com, so you can use it in tools like Excel, Power BI, Google Sheets, or other analytics platforms. Start by opening the specific board you want to export. Make sure you're actually on that board's main view, not in a dashboard or another workspace. At the top right corner of the board, you'll see a small icon with 3 vertical dots. This is often called the 3-dot menu or the More Options menu. Go ahead and click that. When the menu opens, look for the option that says More Actions. Hover over or click on it, and in that submenu, choose Export Board to Excel. This tells Monday.com that you want to download the contents of this board as an Excel file, which you can then open and manipulate outside of Monday. Once you choose to export, you'll usually see a prompt asking if you want to include updates and sub-items in your export. Updates are the comments and conversations that appear on each item's activity feed. Including them can be useful if you need a full audit trail or want context around status changes and decisions. However, they can also make your file much larger and harder to scan. So if you only care about the structured columns and rows, you may want to leave updates out. Subitems are smaller tasks or details nested under a main item. If your team uses subitems to break work into steps, including them in your export ensures you don't miss important pieces of data. If your board doesn't use subitems, or you only care about top-level items, you can skip them to keep your export simpler. Before you export, it's a good idea to apply filters on your board. For example, you might filter by status, person, date range, or specific groups. Monday.com will only export what is currently visible on the board, so filters let you download exactly the slice of data you want, instead of a massive file you have to clean up later. After you confirm your choices, Monday.com will generate the Excel file and download it to your computer. You can then open it in Excel or import it into your reporting tool for deeper analysis.